Hey YouTube, my name's Andrea. I'm a pleasure coach and sex educator. I am here to provide all sorts of delicious and destigmatizing pleasure education so that you can reimagine your sex life. I am bisexual, queer, kinky, tantric, and everyone is welcome here. My work predominantly focuses on couples, predominantly heterosexual couples, but there's lots of delicious stuff in here, no matter how you identify. This is an intro video for YouTube because most of my delicious pleasure education content is found on Patreon. A lot of you know that our digital overlords are getting more and more extreme in their censorship, and Patreon, for right now, is a membership-based platform that allows us to talk about all the deliciously filthy things that I want to talk about. I have a few free videos here on YouTube, but for the most delicious and naughty and engaging and sacred pleasure education, I hope you'll come find me on Patreon. I have memberships as low as $5 a month to help you get unlimited access to all the things that you need to know to become the best lover you could imagine.